Hello everyone and welcome! In this tutorial, we're focusing on enhancing your online privacy with RY Tunnel Lite on your Android device. This VPN app offers a straightforward setup, perfect for those looking to quickly secure their connection. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type RY Tunnel Lite and tap the Install button to download and install the application. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open the RY Tunnel Lite app. Before proceeding, make sure to turn on your mobile data or connect to a Wi-Fi network. A stable internet connection is essential for the VPN to connect properly. When you first open the app, it will likely prompt you to update resources. Allow the app to update its resources. This step ensures you have the latest server list and configurations. You'll likely see a button labeled Add Time. Tap this to add connection time. This might involve watching a short advertisement, which supports the app's development. Now select All Country UDP as the connection method. This is a common and often reliable method for connecting to a VPN server. Optional, if needed, you can choose your specific country from the list of available options. This can sometimes improve connection speed and stability. Select a server from the available list. You can choose a specific server such as Server 3, or you can select Auto to let the app choose the best server for your location. Finally, with all the settings configured, tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. And that's it! You've successfully set up RY Tunnel Lite on your Android device. You can now enjoy a more secure and private online experience. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and ethically. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more tips on staying safe online.